as a beginner trader, I'm sure you've asked yourself this question: how many trades should I be putting on in a day? If you're one of those that actually asks yourself this question, well, this video is for you. This video will also help you if you're one of those people that is actually struggling in your trading journey. I mean, you've not yet found profitability. Well, the reason might be the number of trades you put on in a day. So stick around as I tell you exactly the number of trades that you should be taking every single day. Now, if you're someone who is probably just starting your trading journey, you might be falling into these three categories of traders. You're either a scalper, someone who basically takes very, very short trades. I mean, you're targeting maybe 5-10 pips in the market and then you're out. Or maybe you're someone who is actually an intraday trader or a day trader who basically looks out for the big move of the day, and then maybe you take your trades on that. Or maybe you're actually a swing trader, someone who basically holds their trades for maybe 2 days or maybe a week or maybe a month or even a year. So then if you're that kind of trader, this video might not exactly talk to you, but I'm talking to someone who is actually a day trader or basically a scalper. So how many trades should you be taking in your day? To keep this short and direct, in my opinion, I would suggest you only take 1 or 2 trades in a day. I'll be giving the reasons for this because it is so detrimental. In case you maybe take that first trade and you lose on it, chances are very high that you're actually going to get back into the market and you revenge trade to basically make back the money that you've just lost. So you'll end up taking your second trade, and maybe if it's also a loser, you're going to go on and on, trying to make back the money that you've just lost. And trust me, this always does not end very well. You'll end up blowing your account in this particular case. But if you limit your trades to maybe 1 or 2, then this will help with your psychology. I mean, you'll be able to actually stop yourself from taking any more trades in case you maybe lose that second trade, or maybe in case you lose a certain amount of money on your equity. So in my opinion, I would suggest you only take 2 trades maximum a day. And then also, if you're a prop trader, you obviously know that many of these prop firms actually have what they call a daily drawdown. I mean, a maximum amount of money that you should lose on a particular account in case you're trading a particular day. So most of the times, or many of the times, if you actually violate this, then this obviously means you're going to lose that particular account. So definitely keeping yourself to maybe 1 or 2 trades, this is definitely going to help you in your trading journey. Well, hope this short video has helped answer your question around this topic. In case you have any further questions in regards to this, please go ahead, type them down in the comments, and also do not forget to leave a like on this video, and maybe also go ahead and subscribe to the channel. For more Forex trading content, check out this video right next up.